All right, let's be real. Facebook used to blow up our inboxes. And now all of a sudden, it feels like when you're building your network marketing business and you're building it on Facebook, sometimes you can feel like crickets and you post all these things, yet you're not getting the leads that you used to get. So is Facebook dead, or is it something that maybe you could do some tweaking and figure out how to make it work for you again? Let's talk about the algorithm of Facebook. The days of posting our videos and our stock images and expecting sales, unfortunately, those days are gone. The market has become very saturated. Facebook has become very noisy. And let's be honest, Facebook is not showing our stuff to our friends like they used to. In fact, I just did a post on Facebook and I was looking at my analytics, and it was showing that 65% of the people that saw my post were actually followers and not people that I am friends with. So that was a really interesting insight because it really led me to believe and to talk about how Facebook has changed and how you can make it work for you so that you can get more followers, you can get more leads generated on Facebook. Because if you are building an affiliate marketing, a network marketing, or an online marketing business, Facebook is definitely the right platform for you to be building on if you're doing it the right way. And how is that right way? The right way to be building on Facebook is to building videos, right? Long form videos like lives or short form reels. But here's the key with AI that is happening right now, the idea of being authentic and being you and showing your real face is needed more so now than ever. People really, really need connection, not AI generated things, not B roll where you're not showing your face, right? The reason people buy from you is not necessarily the product, it's they buy from you because the like, know, and trust factor. So the ideas of being human, having conversations, and we're going to talk about that here in just a second, are more important now in 2025 than they are ever before because AI has taken the authenticity of human connection away from us, and people are craving it more so now than ever. It's actually why I call Facebook the $1 million messenger. Because if you are showing up in Messenger, you are having those conversations, you are being human first, marketer second, you are going to win in this Facebook world. So, how do I do it? I post my reels and I post videos in my Facebook newsfeed. I also do a lot of curiosity marketing where when I hit people's pain points and I do what I like to call a power post, it gathers leads for me. But those leads aren't necessarily red hot buyers at that moment. What I have to do is I have to carry on that conversation inside of Messenger, hence the $1 million messenger. So when you are posting on Facebook and you're getting reels and you're getting likes and you're getting comments, that's your invitation to then go and take your marketing and take it inside of Messenger. Be human first. Say things like, hey, how are you? Thank you so much for the love on my post. I really appreciate it. What are you up to today? Conversations equals money. Connections equal money. The more conversations that you have inside of Messenger, the more conversions you're going to have because you're going to be able to solve people's problems. One of the biggest things that I can say that I see network marketers do wrong is they are more interesting than interested. When in fact, what you want to be is you want to be more interested in what the other person has to say than more interesting to yourself, right? You don't want to just talk. You actually want to be a consumer and listen because when you listen, you are able to solve people's problems. Now, listen, one of the reasons that I don't love Facebook is because I don't really get to choose who it shows it out to. Facebook kind of just shows it out to your followers or they show it out to your friends. But what I have found for me, the biggest social media platform that has given me over $17,000 in personal sales and 5 to 7 business builders every single month is YouTube. Why? Because it's videos like you see here on YouTube that actually get it pushed out on the For You page or get recommended in search. You might have found me that way over here, right? And then what happens is people start to get to know me. They connect with me over on Facebook. They buy my products. They want to join my team. And YouTube has been the biggest moneymaker for me as a top earner in the network marketing space. Now, I do have a free YouTube training. So in the description of this video, I am going to put for you the link to my YouTube video or the link to my YouTube masterclass that I have, excuse me. And I'm going to share with you exactly my strategy where Facebook is one piece of the pie. But in my opinion, you want to have an SEO platform like YouTube, and you want to have a social media platform like Facebook, and you marry the process together, and oh my goodness, does amazing things happen for your business. In fact, I have for you right over here a video on how to use YouTube for your network marketing business. So definitely make sure you go and watch that after we're done over here. But if you want to dive in more, in the description of this video, I have for you my free masterclass. But I can tell you right now, YouTube and Facebook and Instagram and TikTok, they're not dead. They're not dead. It's just a saturated market. And so you've got to do marketing differently in 2025 than you had to do in 2021, 2022, where faceless reels were really, really like big and you didn't have to show your face. Now connection is really important. People want to get to know you. If you think about it, the idea of your stories, right? Showing up in your stories and selling in your stories has been the biggest money maker for not only me, but my team of thousands of women. They show up because if you think about it, people like to get to know you, the like, know, and trust factor. And you can share that inside of your stories on Facebook, right? You can't do that in your posts because you're only really supposed to post maybe about one time a day. Now, if you think about it, people love reality TV. How many times have you binge watched reality TV shows like, you know, any of them? You name them. You've watched them, right? The Kardashians. You've watched those reality TV shows. You feel like you know those people. And so when they come out with a product, guess what? You're probably first in line to buy. The same thing is true when you're a network marketer, when you're an online marketer, an affiliate marketer. That same thing is true. Now, here's the thing. You don't need to be living on social media 24/7 if you implement my YouTube strategy as well. I'm all about working smarter, not necessarily harder, getting more bang for your buck if you're showing up on social media. And YouTube is definitely that platform. So in the description of this video, I have for you my free masterclass on how I've generated so much success in this online space, all thanks to my YouTube. So no, Facebook is not dead. No, social media is not dead, but the connection days are here to stay, I hope, so that we become more human and we become more interested in people and less interesting in people. And hey, listen, if this is something that has been helpful for you, definitely make sure you like and follow. My entire channel is set up here to help network marketing moms work smarter, not harder, be able to balance their life and their business in both with success. So make sure you subscribe to this video so that you never miss out on another episode of Julie Reynolds TV.